Okay, guys, so let us move on to question 3, okay? And then 3.1 reads as follows. X minus 2 all squared plus x minus 2 all cubed plus x minus 3 raised to power 4 plus, and then we've got our dots there, forms a geometric series. Okay, so sesiyakhumbula ukuthi ke i-geometric series ila khona uthatha ama-terms akho akha i-sequence, and then you just include a plus sign in between them. So o plus lo sho ukuthi ke we are forming a series, and the series means siyawa adder basically, guys. Okay, right, cool. So u3.1.1 actually asks the following. So 3.1.1, okay, write down the common ratio. So write down the common ratio. So siyazi ke thina ukuthi a common ratio of a geometric series, okay, because we're told ukuthi it's geometric, is calculated by taking any two consecutive terms and dividing them. Okay, so it can be easily calculated as term 2 divided by term 1. Okay, so in this case term 2 is x minus 2 all cubed, okay, all cubed, divided by x minus 2 all squared. Okay, so you'll notice that x minus 2 about squared will actually cancel off about 2 la, then you're going to be left with oyedwa. So therefore our ratio, okay, therefore our ratio is equals to x minus 2 respectively. Okay, right. 3.1.2, okay, determine the value or values of x for which the series converge. Okay, so siyazi ke thina ukuthi for a series that's converging, or for a series to converge, fanele i-ratio yethu i-range in between -1 siya kubani, siya ku-1. Okay, siya ku-1. So how do we actually express range when it comes to your mathematics? So we just write our small figure on the left hand side, and then we put our less than, put our ratio in the middle, and then put our less than, and then put our bigger figure there on top. Okay, so in other words, for a series to converge, finally common ratio yethu i-range between -1 kuya kubani, kuya +1. Okay, so to determine the values of x for which the series converges. So siyazi ukuthi ratio yethu value x minus 2. So singaplug in ke x minus 2 wethu there kwenza r, bese sithola ke x wethu when our series actually converge. So in other words, so by no -1 being less than x minus 2 being less than 1. Okay, so I hope you guys can actually recall from your 10th grade ukuthi uma ngabe ucalculator ke your x in this case kufana nokuthi lo 2 lo utransposekela to that side, aphinde futhi lo 2 lo atransposekele to that side. So in other words, kufana nokuthi nje uzoba no -1 plus 2 being less than x being less than 1 plus 2. So lo 2 lo simtransposile samisa ngale kwashintsha sign, nalo 2 lo simtranspose samisa ngala kwashintsha sign. So therefore -1 plus 2 ubani loyo, 1 less than x less than, and then 1 plus 2 ubani loyo, u3 respectively. Okay, so for when your x for when your series converges, then x way to range between 1 and 3, guys. Okay, so we're therefore going to be moving on to 3.2 way 2. Okay,